In this final video, we will give a demonstration of how the rotary index table operates. Let's take a look. Here's a list of the functions that will be demonstrated. Let's first start the part feeder. The part feeder was covered in another video on motion control. The input tube to the rotary index table fills up with the marbles and steel and brass balls. We will refer to these, for the most part, as the parts. The laser distance sensor will detect when a part is loaded into position 1. Next, the control system is placed in auto cycle and the cycle start push button on the C-more is pressed. If everything is okay, the rotary disc will index 45 degrees. This operation will continue until no more parts are loaded, or the cycle stop push button is pressed, or the system is taken out of auto cycle. If a steel part is detected at position 2, a 1-bit is loaded into a shift register within the Do-more ladder logic. And then when indexed to position 3, the steel part reject slide gate cylinder solenoid will energize, and the steel part will be dropped into the reject bin. Please note that position 4 is idle at this time with no operation taking place. Here we see a part indexed into position 5, and the color detector is triggered to take a color reading. The results are stored into 3 shift registers to track the color until the part exits the system 3 positions later at position 8. If a brass part is detected at position 6, a 1-bit is loaded into a shift register within the Do-more ladder logic. And then when indexed to position 7, the brass part reject slide gate cylinder solenoid will energize, and the steel part will be dropped into the reject bin. At position 8, the part exits the system with the color that just exited being displayed on the C-more touch panel. Here we put the control system in the manual cycle, and by pressing the table index button on the C-more touch panel, we cause the rotary disc to move 45 degrees in a counterclockwise direction. Also in the manual cycle, we can use the 1-degree counterclockwise and 1-degree clockwise push buttons to jog the rotary disc to a known starting position. The trigger color push button can be used at any time to take a reading from the color sensor. While in the manual cycle mode, we can operate either the steel ball reject slide cylinder or the brass ball reject slide cylinder as demonstrated here. Well, that wraps it up for this series of videos on motion control. Please visit www.AutomationDirect.com for all of your automation and control needs. Look for other videos in this series. Thank you for watching.